Have you ever wondered why some children find mathematics joyful while others see it as difficult? In Montessori, maths is not presented as a subject to be memorized, it is something children discover step by step, through touch, movement, and exploration. In Montessori, mathematics is built from the ground up. Instead of beginning with symbols and written sums, children start by exploring ideas they can see and feel. This journey moves gently from the concrete to the abstract, giving children real meaning behind numbers long before they write them on paper. Montessori mathematics begins long before numbers are introduced. Dr. Maria Montessori described the child's mind as naturally mathematical, drawn to order, patterns, and relationships. The foundation is built through sensorial and practical life activities. When a child lines cylinders by height, arranges shapes by category, or pours water without spilling, they are refining observation, classification, and sequencing skills. These activities strengthen the brain's ability to recognize patterns, organize information, and make logical connections, all essential for understanding mathematics later on. And if you'd like to understand how the brain develops these logical abilities, check out our video on executive function in the brain behind Montessori series. It explains how these early sensorial experiences prepare neural networks for planning, reasoning, and problem solving. Once the mind is ready, Montessori introduces numbers in a way children can truly experience. Number rods are introduced first. Long, beautifully painted red and blue rods that children arrange in sequence from smallest to largest. Without using a single written digit, children begin to feel differences in quantity and length. Sandpaper numbers come next, linking visual symbols with physical movement. As the child traces each rough textured digit with their finger, the muscle memory strengthens connections between sight, touch, and sound. Finally, golden beads bring the decimal system to life. A single bead represents 1 unit, a bar of 10 beads shows 110, a square of 100 beads shows 100, and a cube of 1,000 beads shows 1,000. Children can hold 1,000 in their hands, compare it with one tiny bead, and instantly see place value instead of memorizing it. One of the most powerful aspects of Montessori mathematics is control of error. The materials are designed so the child can see when something is out of place. If a bead bar is missing or a number card is misplaced, the material reveals the problem instantly. This builds independence and confidence. Instead of waiting for an adult to correct them, children become active problem solvers. In the process, they strengthen their working memory, develop flexible thinking, and learn to approach challenges logically. When children are ready, Montessori gently introduces operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, always starting with physical materials. For example, children can see 10 single beads exchange for 110 bars, or watch 2 bead chains join together to make 12. These experiences give deep meaning to mathematical relationships. By the time children begin writing numbers and equations on paper, they are not just memorizing symbols, they already understand what those symbols represent because they have touched them, counted them, and explored them in real space. In Montessori, mathematics is not taught, it is discovered. By moving step by step from the concrete to the abstract, at their own pace, children build a strong foundation for logical thinking and a genuine love for learning. When children truly experience numbers before they symbolize them, mathematics stops being something to fear and becomes something to enjoy.